baby namin. There's a red in their face. There's a red in their face. What happened to your face? And you are no neck in now. You are so very cute. You are very cute. You're so sleepy always. And wake up now, cause this is a morning day, a rainy day. You are eat your food and your teeth happen to your face. There's a dot, a red. There's a red dot your face. Is this a mosquito? Love you, eat your face. Happen to your face. Mosquito love you, eat your face. The dot is in red in your face. Wake up now, and let's play, even is the rain is coming now. Hello, hello, how are you? Are you okay there in your doyanan? Sleep always there. Oh yeah, this is my baby cute. Wake up now and stand and now and play, even the rain is now. Come on, wake up. Wake up now, wake up, wake up, wake up. Baby nang, baby nang, baby nang, baby nang. Sleep or wake up.